In front of me is Motorola Razr 60, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First, launch settings and scroll to tap on privacy section, available here, security and privacy. Now, you need to scroll through security one to get into privacy controls. Tap on them. Select Permission Manager, available here, and when you're ready, tap on any feature you want to manage. For example, I want to manage access to my location. Now, pick an app under one of those sections. They will differ depending on what you picked. In case of location, allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. Let's go with Facebook from not allowed one. Apply any of those and go back when you finished. In this case, location access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask if a time, or don't allow. When you finished, go back to check out your changes. After a few seconds, Facebook gained access to my device's location while I'm using this app. But what I like to do is to pick any feature, select an app I want to manage, and instead of picking any of those options, scroll to click on See All Permissions in tiny text at the very bottom. This way you can manage all of those only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!